YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The done back in the lab, with another mad reaction. Yo, today we got Kraff. Kraff back with anyone who make it rum. Shit, look like him take cartel each intro from what was that called? Street Vibes. You see me and say dog I say, ooh, make it rum. You see me and say. Yo, I check it out and say Kraff I do. They don't know Kraff will come with the vibes, and I come with the anthem, I come with the bops, You see me and say and the hits, You see me and say, so we expect nothing different, So watch it out the one that's where Kraff I do with. Also, gang, you don't know, road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button, man. Come on, man, let's get active, bro. You see me back on in full effect. You see me and say, let's get active. Kraff, who make it rum? Let's get it.
Who said that? Who asked for that? Shut the room.
Whoa.
Yo, the cheer some of there. Yo, who said that? Who asked for that?
Oh, that a prince behind that? A prince behind that? No, not chasing that. Who said that? Oh.
Yo, the cheer some of there. Yo, who said that? Who asked for that?
A prince behind that, don't.
Shut the room, raw, father. Walk here. Shut that raw.
Shut the room, raw, father. Got you.
One of them part there, you go fuck it up. And then you go borrow your car. And then you go try 50.
Oh, clean. What? You go about that fuck it up. Then you go borrow the car and jiff it. Go on,
One of them part there, you go fuck it up. And then you go borrow your car. And then you go try 50.
How make you rum? Straight vibes. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Straight vibes. How make you rum? How make you rum?
Answer a question, man. Who make you rum? A cartel? A Ray and his nephew? Who?
Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Shot that rum, duck that nine. Start that deep, teleport one time. Search for a real mad vibes. In I party me on time.
Hold on. Is this a promo cartel gig, dog? Cause who make it rum? And he got the Street Vibes logo in the bomber background. Hey, cartel, Kraff? Not genius. Watch you.
Bodo. How make you rum? Shot that rum, duck that nine. Start that deep, teleport one time. Search for a real mad vibes. In I party me on time. Find one virgin glue, real demon slime. Get naughty with my bong.
Virgin glue, real demon slime. Please.
Glue, real demon slime. Get naughty with my bunks and wine. Pop this pill now, jump and climb. Who my fuck up? Hana, we are who make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo.
Mama fuck up and where she ask? Vibes nice, how where she ask? Drinks nice, how you?
How make you rum? How make you rum? Bodo. 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 How make you rum?
Mad vibes, go on, show.
We just get dark anytime your liquor starts so keen. Dead at night, we no sleep, we no talk about dream. Real life, pan the wharf, something broad for we. Bad bitch,
yes,
pan the
man, you read dark when the liquor so keen. When dog say dead at what? What you?
Dead at night, we no sleep.
Hold on there. The man say dead at night, we no sleep.
Anytime your liquor starts so keen. Dead at night, we no sleep, we no talk about dream. Real life, pan the wharf, something broad for we. Bad bitch, pan the bird.
Dead at night, we no talk about dream, nigga.
Have something broad for a wheel. Bad bitch pan the bird says she want rope in. Pan it told me I skate this I want more speed. One button turn the beam and I rass all beast. Squad it so him I go on more cheese. 2 lane ton 3 I rass some.
Pan it told we a skate this one more speed. One press and the beam and turn in and one beast, Talk true no man. Now where dog is up on the wharf? The broad what?
Bad bitch pan the bird says she want.
Where dog say more the party?
We no sleep, we no talk about dream. Real life pan the wharf, something broad for a wheel. Bad bitch pan the bird says she want rope in.
It's a real life pan the wharf, something broad 4 wheel. Bad leap. One bitch pan the line says she want rope.
He told me I skate this I want more speed. One button turn the beam and I rass all beast. Squad it so him I go on more cheese. 2 lane ton 3 I rass some date.
Please, squad it so him I go on more cheese brother. Man said 2 lane ton 3. And the rum do it, man. Sat to blood clean.
What time I go on more cheese? 2 lane ton 3. I'd rather some date. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? How make you rum?
How do it?
Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. How make you rum? Bodo. I mean say shot that rum, talk that night.
class shot that rum. When you say
I say shot that rum, top that nine, start that big airport one time. Search me, I search for your ring, mad vibes. In I party me.
shot the rum, Tucky 9. Yeah, man, a portal, where a portal. Hey, go on, you.
That big airport one time. Search me, I search for your ring, mad vibes. In I party me on time. Find one virgin, glue, real demon slime. Get naughty, mama bounce and wine. Pop this pill, now jump and climb. Mama fuck up.
Please, pop this woman again, auntie, jump and climb on it. Hey.
Pop this pill, now jump and climb. Mama fuck up and ask me how make her up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, definitely Cartel linking pan on it. I see people shoot Cartel straight vibes. You see me TJ Records and Shane Creative. You see me and Kraff and you got the Street Vibes drummer. Hey, they smart with it. Yes, man, Street Vibes drummer gonna be the backup point upon every party in the dance hall. No. Go on, watch it. Watch it joke. Watch it joke, go on. Yeah, man, Kraff. Yeah, man, who make you rum? Yeah, man, definitely have vibes. I don't know Kraff make bangers on it already. You see me I say, and this come off with Vibes Cartel song not amount straight vibes track. Yeah, that's gonna go. They gonna pair well together. You see me I say, and they talking about the same run. Hey, come on. Yeah, Vibes dancehall is back. You see me I say, dancehall is back. They create their own ambience, their own. You see me I say? Yeah, dancehall is definitely. It's a good look. Big up to Kraff. The one is a banger gang. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. You see me I say? Your thoughts might be different from mine. You see me? So let me know in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let me know what your favorite part was. Visual beats, lyrics, melody. Kraff always have some mad blood lyrics and everything. You see me I say? Yeah, so Kraff always come on, a Kraff, our artist, dog. A long time I listen to Kraff. Now when I'm the first person I react to Kraff on this, you see me I say, I don't know anything said. Yeah, man, Kraff, who make your rum gang? Let me know anything about in the comment section. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.